My secret to escaping the 9-to-5 corporate nightmare is educating yourself and leveraging AI tools to accelerate your affiliate side hustle. I escaped the corporate grind 10 years ago and now run a multiple 7-figure affiliate business, and I've helped over 10,000 people earn money with affiliate marketing. And in this video, I'm going to show you how the Topview AI platform can streamline your affiliate side hustle and take it to the next level.
Artificial intelligence is getting seriously terrifying because guess what? I am not even real.
That's right, but hang with me through the entire video because even though AI seems controversial sometimes, it can also be a complete game changer if used ethically. Let's get to it. First things first. You need to find a product that's actually worth promoting. And I'm going to demonstrate this entire process using New Lifespan's Mylan 6 as our example product. But here's the key. You want to look for products that solve real problems and have strong market demand. The beauty of this system is that it works for any product in any niche. And whether you're in health supplements, tech gadgets, beauty products, or fitness equipment, the process I'm about to show you is completely scalable. And for this demo, I chose Mylan 6 because it's in the growing nootropics market and has solid reviews and addresses a common problem, brain fog and cognitive decline. But you could apply this exact same method to promote wireless earbuds, skincare products, or kitchen gadgets. And let me show you how to grab the product images we'll need. Now I'll head over to the Amazon listing and right-click on the main product image and save it to my desktop for downloads. And this single image is going to be the foundation of our entire AI-generated content strategy. Now, here's where the magic happens. I'm using Topview AI, which is hands down the most powerful tool I've found for creating product videos with AI avatars. First, I'll click the link in my description to get to Topview AI. And once you're there, sign in with your Google account. It's completely free to get started. You'll be taken to the main dashboard. And this is where you can see all the different features available. What I love about Topview AI is that it's not just about creating generic videos. It's specifically designed for product marketing, which means every feature is built to help you convert viewers into customers. Click on the product avatar feature, and this is where we'll create our AI spokesperson who will be holding and presenting our Mylan 6 supplement. This is honestly the coolest part of the entire process. You'll see over 100 different AI avatars to choose from, and they're incredibly realistic. We're talking about different ethnicities, ages, professional looks, casual styles, whatever matches your brand and target audience. For Mylan 6, I'm targeting health-conscious adults, so I'm going to choose this professional-looking avatar who appears trustworthy and knowledgeable about health products. Once I've selected my avatar, I'll upload the Mylan 6 product image we downloaded earlier. The AI automatically detects the product and positions it perfectly in the avatar's hands. But here's the really cool part. You can adjust the size, position, and angle to make it look completely natural. And if you need to fine-tune the positioning, you can manually mask the product using the editing tools. And once everything looks perfect, hit confirm and watch this. The AI generates 3 different sample avatars with your product. And if you don't like any of them, just hit regenerate for new options. And I'm really happy with this second option. So I'll select it and click image to video avatar. In just a few seconds, we have a fully animated AI avatar holding our Mylan 6 supplement. The movements look completely natural and professional.
Time and money searching for real models to showcase your products.
Now we need to create the actual promotional video. This is where Topview AI really shines because it can generate everything automatically based on your product URL. I'll copy the Amazon link for Mylan 6 and paste it into the dashboard. And here's what's amazing. The AI analyzes the entire product page and automatically selects the most relevant images and information to create a compelling video. You can see it's pulled the product benefits, key ingredients, and even customer reviews. The AI supports multiple platforms, so I can create versions optimized for Amazon, Shopify, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram all at once. And for this example, I'm creating a 9:16 vertical video that's perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. But I'm also going to create a 16:9 version for my Shopify stores product pages. The AI offers over 100 different voices in more than 20 languages. For Mylan 6, I want someone who sounds knowledgeable but approachable, so I'll choose this professional male voice. Now, I'll select our custom avatar that we created earlier. This ensures brand consistency across all our content. Here's where Topview AI gets really impressive. It uses insights from over 5 million successful TikTok and YouTube videos to create scripts that actually convert. The AI has analyzed the Mylan 6 product page and generated 3 different script options. The editing dashboard is incredibly intuitive. I can modify the script, swap out media clips, and even change how the avatar appears in different scenes. The background music selection is fantastic too. I'll choose something that feels professional but not too clinical, since we want people to feel comfortable and trust our recommendation. One thing I really appreciate is that the lip syncing is handled automatically during export, so the avatar's mouth movements match the voiceover perfectly. All right, so check this out. And by no means is it perfect yet, but not bad. And actually, when do y'all think AI will be indistinguishable from real videos? Let me know in the comments. Now here's how we turn these videos into actual revenue streams. I'm using a multi-platform approach that maximizes earning potential. First, there's Amazon affiliate marketing. I'm registered with the Amazon Associates program, which gives me a commission on every Mylan 6 sale through my affiliate link. For supplements, the commission rate is typically 3 to 4%, which adds up quickly with the right content strategy. And in some instances, you may be able to go directly to the brand and find even more lucrative affiliate programs. Our example product, Mylan 6 by New Lifespan, is one of those actually, and provides up to 30% commissions and lifetime customer attachment for residual commissions. But here's where it gets really interesting. I'm also using these AI-generated videos as UGC content for my own Shopify store. Instead of just promoting other people's products, I'm building my own brand around brain health and nootropics. The same video I create for Amazon can be repurposed for my Shopify product pages, email marketing campaigns, and social media ads. This creates multiple revenue streams from a single piece of content. Each platform requires slightly different approaches. For TikTok and Instagram, I'm focusing on the transformation aspect, showing how Mylan 6 can help people from feeling foggy and unfocused to sharp and productive. For YouTube Shorts, I'm creating slightly longer versions that include more educational content about brain health and the science behind Mylan support. For my Shopify store, we will be using these videos as product demos and incorporating them into my email sequences to nurture leads and convert them into customers. The beauty of this system is that once you set it up, you can create professional product videos in just minutes instead of hours or days. And with Topview AI handling the heavy lifting, you don't need any technical skills or expensive equipment. This is just the beginning of how AI is completely transforming the way we work and build businesses. We're living in an era where tasks that used to take entire teams and massive budgets can now be accomplished by one person with the right tools and knowledge. The productivity gains are absolutely mind-blowing. And honestly, if you're not leveraging these AI tools, you're going to get left behind. But here's the thing. Topview AI is just one piece of the puzzle. There are dozens of other AI tools that can automate different parts of your business. And as a matter of fact, here are a couple other videos about AI you should check out. I'll see you over there.